Okay, guys, welcome to Thailand Outdoors. Today we're back in Buriram. We seem to go there quite often, and we're off to see what I thought was a classic car show. I couldn't figure out why it was 2 days. It ended up being actually over 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I was there for Saturday and Sunday. It was actually a race. Classic cars, very old cars mostly. I guess that's why they called them classics. But they were actually racing. Some were race cars, and some were just normal cars doing the circuit, I guess. The racing itself wasn't nothing spectacular, but some amazing, amazing old cars from all over the world, and some new ones. There was, people visiting with really nice cars and stuff like that. Got tons of video, and I really, really enjoyed it. And a bonus feature this time, first time ever that I've been at this destination of speed. Really good food. Nice bonus that was.
left-hand drive Cadillac. That's a left-hand drive Cadillac just went by there. American car. That thing is wider than most cars are long. Oh, it's just a boat. Awesome. Just finished lunch. Lunch was really good. It's nice that they got lots of good food here. First time I've ever seen any food worth paying money for. That's for sure. They got tons of selection. Tons and tons. Of course, I have battery issues again. I just bought 2 new batteries for the camera. Used both of them once and they both fell apart. The end just came right off of them. I've never seen anything like it. I lost one of my good batteries. This end right here, where the connectors are, this popped off 2 of the new batteries. Well, I bought 2, both of them broke. Put them back together, one working now. It's on charge. And the other one never worked again. Must have broke a wire or something. Super glued them back together, and then when I put it together it was too long, so I had to sand the end off to get it to fit in the camera. But it's okay now. One of them's okay. But that's the only good battery I got right now. The other one's like 10 minutes. That's all it lasts. That don't last 2 or 3 hours, which is not long enough. This camera really eats batteries. I need to get a power pack or something for it. I'm running it now right off the van, plugged into a USB. Not hot today either, really nice. Beautiful weather. Still some action happening. No idea the schedule here, it's a freaking nightmare. They don't tell you nothing. And then security, you never know where you're going to be allowed to go. This is a cool place, but it could be so much better if it was a little bit organized. And there's events here almost every weekend. Like where I had to park to where I walk in at. It's a 20-minute walk, man. What is with that? When they could just open the gate right here in front of the van and walk in. Literally, I can see the track from here, but to get to the stand, 20-minute walk. Don't make sense. Poor planning. That's what I think. I'm going to dump my video files, see what's there. I know I got corrupt files. When I have bad batteries, I end up with bad files. I don't know how much I lost, but I know I lost some video. But so many amazing cars here. It's unfortunate that they don't have the age on anything, you know. It's not that kind of it's not like a car show. They're actually racing these cars. It's more of a dog and pony show, in my opinion. The minis, they race the minis. Those things only do like 50 kilometers an hour, it looked like. It was the slowest race everywhere. Like, be better with a go-kart. But it's really cool. Those things are only 4 feet long. Like, they're minis, but they're really cool. Gonna end up with a ton of short videos out of this, which is why I came here anyway. I like those short little car videos. A lot of people here, but not many watching. There's maybe 200 spectators. A lot of those are like me making videos and stuff. But the people in the stands, very few. There's a lot more people taking part in the event than there is actually watching it. And maybe lack of communication is a lot of that. Like just finding out start times and stuff like that. No idea, don't tell you nothing. The event's supposed to be today and tomorrow, but it started yesterday. What's that about? No, you know, no idea. Just lack of information, or Maybe I just can't find the information. I don't know. But it's nice the weather's changed. It's not hot, and that's a big difference. Huge, huge difference.
ทุกคนค่ำคืนที่คนไทยในสยามประเทศขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับทุกท่านด้วย
เอาละค่ะแล้วก็ในลำดับถัดไปค่ะนะคะให้พี่แอดนะคะพี่แอดก็จะเดินทางจากผู้บังคับการตำรวจภูธรจังหวัดบุรีรัมย์ค่ะคนตำรวจทั้งหมดที่เรามาแล้วค่ะขอเสียงปรบมือด้วยค่ะ
และตอนครับนั่นคือของแทนใจภาคการจะตายครับคอมมานเดอร์
That's cool.
กับ21 ปี
Oh, very cool.
เสือน้อยเสือน้อย
นะคะแล้ววันนี้เนี่ยจะบอกว่าในค่ำคืนนะคะบรรยากาศดีๆแบบนี้ค่ะพี่โจ้ค่ะเราก็จะมีในส่วนของ
ตอนนี้นะคะพี่ๆที่ซื้อเสื้ออยู่ข้างในมีกุญแจรถโตโยต้า
ให้กับทุกท่านด้วย
ขับโตโยต้าแล้วกุญแจรถตกตรงจุดที่ซื้อเสื้อสักครู่ตอนนี้มาแจ้งรับกับจุดประชาสัมพันธ์ได้
โอ้โหเท่มากเลย
นั่นคือวัฒนธรรมในปี 1970 นะครับ นั่นคือเรื่องราวของคาวบอยที่มาจากคำว่าฝั่งอเมริกันเชิญครับขยับมาหน่อยครับ โอเค enjoy เอาละฮะ
1 2 3 4 5 คู่ขออีก1คู่ค่ะ
ขออีก1คู่ครับ
ขออีก1คู่ค่ะ ถ้าไม่งั้นคือที่จะเข้าคู่กับพี่โจพี่โจ
ดีมาก
ห้าแพ็คเลยนะคะห้าแพ็คเลยนะ
เหลืออีก1คู่ครับ
ขออีก1คู่ค่ะ
แล้ววันนี้นะครับ
There's like 50 people in there picking up garbage. There's plastic everywhere. What a mess. I don't know what time that finished last night, but every motorbike left at the same time. Wow, is that ever loud? It wasn't that late. Let's go have a look. interesting trip. This a lot different than I expected. I didn't know there was a giant party here last night. But man, when all those motorbikes left, like I was going to spend the night here, but there was way too many people, way too loud. So I moved outside by McDonald's, but every one of those motorbikes I had to drive by there and they all left at the same time. Why was that ever loud? I don't know what time it was. It wasn't that late. Midnight at the latest. I'm not sure. Cost 500 baht to get into the. It's like a beer garden with a stage, and there was a lot going on there. It would have been worth it for sure. But live music and. Someone said it was Carabao, but I don't know. 500 baht to see Carabao doesn't sound right. But lots going on, lots of cars. I came for the old cars. There was lots of new cars, there was lots of old cars. I didn't know they were actually going to race them. And some of these cars are race cars, and some of them are just rich people with nothing better to do. Good for them. Got tons and tons of short car videos, something different. A lot of these cars I don't know, they're European, and I have never seen them before. There's a few American-made cars here, but I didn't get any video of them. A couple of big Cadillacs. Man, those things are huge. But I didn't get any good video of those. But still, so many cool cars. Worth the trip for sure. A lot different than I expected, but that's a part of it, you know. That's a part of traveling. That's a part of doing stuff. Nice that they got food here this time, and lots of food and really good. Tiny bottle of water, 15 baht though, but the plate of food is 60. Food's a good price, the water is expensive. But at least it's here. Weather is great. 19 degrees for overnight low, and it's about 25 right now. It's beautiful. Little breeze of wind. Perfect weather. I just wonder how many Harleys were here last night. Hundreds, they were everywhere. A few BMWs and a few really nice bikes. But some of those Harleys, wow, just amazing. Just amazing. Some of the newer ones I don't really like, they look plastic. So many big bikes, so many. You don't realize all my stuff is in this country until they all get together. This is really good. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want to see the car videos, that's on Workshop Life. Lots of cool old cars. Those little minis were really cool. Amazing how big the engine is in such a tiny car, and yet they go like 50 kilometers an hour. Oh dude, I'm slow. I'll be back here again in about a month, I think. The last race of the year. Hopefully they have food this time, or that time. I doubt it.